All right, what's
in the Hot Topics today, government plans construction of 17 new schools. The Minister of Education, Youth and Information, Senator Ruel Reid, provided an update on the school infrastructure projects the other day. 10 schools will be primary institutions, while the remaining 7 will be secondary schools. The Minister of Education made the disclosure at a press conference and said that the submissions for the undertaking have been made to the Public Investment Management Secretariat. Now, an important note from that is that there is a Public Investment Management Secretariat. And once it's submitted there and the public funds are available, then operations can happen. Also in this story, I want you all to know, if you didn't know, that the Maypen Primary in Clarendon is the largest primary school in the Caribbean. If you didn't know, it's on the shift system. So there are plans to also build a school as well in that area.
All right, and we move quickly to the next one. Construction workers and master builders, they signed a new wage agreement. Local trade unions and the Incorporated Master Builders Association, they are scheduled to meet on Friday to sign off on a new wage pact for unionized construction workers. Now, this follows their agreement on a new 2-year labor agreement, which includes a pay increase of 6% in the first year and a further 5% in the second year, and increases in allowances for the workers will also remain in the 5 to 6% range. The previous agreement expired on January 31. All right? 31.
31.
Right.
Just so you know as well, there's also a curfew imposed in Swallowfield, St. Andrew, just for all of you who did not know. So stay safe out there, my people, my people, my people, and stay locked to the Smile Jamaica screens. That's what's hot.
Yeah, you know, it's also the late Bunny Ruggs' birthday today. He was born on February 1. And also,
when was he born? February 1?
February 1.
Do you want to hear?
February 6. His birthday is today.
Oh, yeah.
And Derek Harriott.
There you go.
It's Derek Harriott's birthday
Derek
today
Harriott.
also.
And Bunny Ruggs, great entertainers. Now, Bunny Ruggs was also a part of the Third World group. But can I tell you something you didn't know, Jamaica? Facts Day. Did you know that I have a duet with Bunny Ruggs? Go on YouTube, Google Crying, Bunny Ruggs and Empress, crying, 'cause you bring me joy. Check out our duet. Yeah, I love reggae, you know. I love music, you know.
All right, we have some birthdays, so we'll do this quickly.
You always have a million.
This first one is Mr. Fitzroy Hines. Happy birthday, sir, coming from your wife, Claudette, and all your kids. Here's a picture. Dante, work with me here. There's Dante. Here's a picture of Mr. Hines. So, Mr. Hines, I hope you'll have a brilliant day today, sir. And I pray you live to see many, many, many more. He lives in the States, by the way. So, happy birthday. Hold on. Done. I have some more here.
You know, while you're searching, I could put out my birthdays.
One here. This young man is Cameron Chiney. And greetings from his mom, Stacy, dad, Francis, and his sister, Anissa. And look at
him, sweetie.
Here's Cameron right there. Cameron, I hope you have a great day, son, and I pray that you will live to see so many more. Cameron, don't grow up here. It's a trap. It's a trap, Cameron. Them just have to start pay tax, and I don't done yet. Hold on. This
Never
is
had
Safari.
So many birthdays. Let's go.
Safari. Hey, Safari, happy birthday from your mom, Carol, your brothers, Sean and Shane, your sister, Ashley, your friends, Mansion, Thames Babe, Chris Galore, Ashley, Stephanie. I can't tell all of them, but here she is. Picture come up. Beautiful Safari from a St. George's College student. Here she is. Hope you have a great day, my little friend. And I pray you live to see many more. She's beautiful. Go on, you have any? Because I
just want to say happy birthday.
No, done.
What?
Happy birthday to Mr. Wayne Green. He's from Mel and the Spray Box family. Yesterday was his birthday. You don't have none?
I do have birthdays. Happy birthday to all the little children born on this day. Do know that you are blessed. You are the light. You are the light of this world. You are the light of the future. Continue to live. Continue to smile. Continue to catch a positive fire that's out there for you, and just be blazing in greatness, all right? To all the children in state care and children's home especially, I love you. And to all the elderly people out there, the wise people with gray hair, happy birthday. We love you.
Last one. Happy birthday to Sergeant Wendell Reed. He says, may God continue to bless you, keep safe, and give you long life, coming from your sons, Wendell and Ramon, and wife, Doreen. All right. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.